11 and I'm here with my little sister, Cleanie. Say hi, Anne. Her name's actually Anna, but she wanted me to call her Cleanie for this video. She's been really into a show called Robocar Polly. Really good show. Today we're unboxing this Animal Jam thing right here. This cute little safari hat that's so adorable. And a shell surprise. LOL surprise, pearl surprise, pearl surprise. But I keep calling it shell surprise, but we're not, I heard it's a bath bomb. We're not actually going to be doing the bath bomb in this video. We're going to make a part 2. Yeah, I got some scissors. And so, which one do you want to do first? The pearl surprise or the Animal Jam?
Animal Jam.
Okay, so I'll do make a little cut for you, and we can rip that open. Come on, Anna.
Okay.
Pull it off. Let them see it. See? We pulling it off, yeah? Yeah. Oh no. We ripped this off, but that's okay. We're not going to be using that. And so, yeah, it's an Adopt Pet Series 4. Whoa, and Annie, you just really want to get into this. Wow. Let's see. What's that? It looks like a little owl. Let's get this out. Let's get this little owl out of her little owl bag. This little bag. Unlock bonus item in-game Animal Jam Play Wild. With each one, you get a little thing, and you get to scratch the little code to get it out. But we're not going to do that yet. We're not going to show you the code. Maybe we'll show you the code. I don't know. Anyway, go check out my other channel, Eevee Anime, which I have created. I will probably put the link in the description or something. Maybe. It looks like it's got a little toadstool hat. Look at this little toadstool.
No.
Where does this go? Oh, it goes on its back. It's like a little turtle owl. Oh, it's like a turtle dove. Get it? Turtle dove. Turtle dove. See, it looks kind of like a... Yeah, I'm going to stop talking now. It's in its little hut. Annie, you see the little turtle dove in its little hut? Oh no, we fell down. See, look, you see this little house, and we can put the roof on, and it looks super cute. So let's see what we got. It's a green owl with like little orange thing on its back. Let's see what its name is and stuff. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is long. Might be looking here on this for a little while. Let me know if you see a green bird. Doesn't look like it's on this side. Just flip it. Flip. And keep looking. Looking. Let's see. Where is it? Oh, here it is. It's got a little diamond on it. Like, see, it's got a little diamond there, and it is called, if you can't read that, it is called Misty Lime. Misty Lime, that's its name. And what's the diamond? The diamond is just diamond. So it's probably like right before ultra rare and after rare. So cool. We got a pretty good one. Now, do you want to open the pearl surprise? Okay. Well, I'll fix the camera so we can see this pearl surprise better. Okay. All right. Here it is. It's really big. It's just half a thing. So there's this little zipper. Anna, would you like to help me with the zipper? And I'll get it started for you. Let's try to. Anyway, these are hard to do anyway. I'll just rip it. Why does this always happen? Whenever I try to do it, it just goes around the side. Don't want it to do that. I want it to be a zipper. Because it actually has... It's supposed to be a zipper. Screw it! Flip. Say flippy nuggets.
Flippy nuggets. That is a flippy.
Yeah. Well, you see how hard I'm trying. Got it. Got it, boy. Get this. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so silly. Get over there. Okay. So we got some little zip ties for extra protection if you weren't prepared. There's these little zip ties on both sides. Ah, there we go.
Gotta get that stuff.
Yeah, we gotta get that off, Anna. Cleanie.
Cleanie Anna.
Yeah, you're Cleanie Anna.
I'm a Cleanie Anna.
Got one. Got it. Would you like to help me pull it off? Let's go. Ooh. Help me pull this part, the back part off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. So we got our tray with 6 balls. They must be the prizes. We got a, oh my gosh. It's like a little clam. It's a clam. It's a clam back spawn. This one is pink and yellow. Whoa, that's so cool. And we got ourselves a little thing here. We got a really cool sticker. We can either, looks like we can get treasure or little treasure.
Gotta get the big
And they got
treasure
cool and little treasure, yeah. And they got little colors.
Anna, I want to get a little treasure for me.
Oh, well, we gotta have to open up this bath bomb later. Anyway, let's see. We got another thing. That's like the little instruction manual for the Pearl's Prize. Looks like we might get both. Looks like treasure would be in the pink one in the pink side if we have treasure, and little treasure would be in the yellow side.
Anna.
Yes.
I'm gonna go on the little part.
Okay, well, we'll look first. First, we gotta open up all these little balls. All these little balls. We got blue ones and we got white ones. See? Would you like to pick out the first one? Okay. Grab it. Take it out and. Oh my! I can't open it. I can't open it. Try to open it. You try to open it. It's really hard. Try to open it. Usman.
You got.
How is this so hard to open? This should not be this hard to open.
That is hard to open.
Oh, I got it. I had to press it against the table. Oh, it looks like we got some cute little white Tinkerbell shoes. Cute Tinkerbell shoes. These are Treasure's shoes. See? So it looks like we're getting treasure for sure. And that's just from the blue one. Maybe the blue one would be like treasure and the white one would be little treasure. Ugh, oh my gosh. I got it.
That is like mine.
Oh, we got some more shoes. 2 different pairs of shoes. Why are there 2 different pairs of shoes? Little treasure doesn't have shoes. What?
Emma, that is like mine.
Yep, we gotta put them over here. Put the ball over here. Now you get another one.
Oh, this one.
Ooh, a white one. Oh. Whoops. I'll get it. And this little sweepy Cleanie is sitting in my lap. So you get this one. Oh my gosh. That went flying. Go get it. It's all the way across the room. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I'm going to try to be making some more videos on my channel, Eevee Anime.
Here.
Thanks.
I'm a sweepy. I'm a sweepy.
Get that. What do we get? What do we get? Oh, it's well,
Ow.
it's Treasure's little thing. I'm not gonna say it. Please.
That is cycle.
Oh, that was so easy. Oh, looks like we can. Oh, looks like there's two different outfits. We get a little. We get like a little regular outfit with a shirt and stuff, and this one.
I'm silly.
Okay, you pick out another one. There's two more.
This one.
Oh, it's just there for the. Yeah. Got it. Looks like this is a little bottom. Looks like this is just for the I don't know which outfit this one's for, so I'm just gonna put it aside and let us continue.
Wow, that is white.
Okay, so this one, so there's two outfits, and I just realized the two outfits. Okay, these look really cute though. So we got the outfit in the picture, this outfit, which is these cute little shoes. And these outfits are for Treasure. Little Treasure just comes in an little outfit that you can't take off or put on. These little pants and this shirt, apparently. And for the second outfit, which is, I think it's a little cute. He's got these cute shoes.
That is for me.
Cute shirt and these pants. So yeah. That was a shell surprise.
Yay! Yay! Look at my Paw Patrol.
Oh, you look so cute, Anna. We love your Paw Patrol. Love Paw. Anna, can you sing the Paw Patrol song?
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you. That's good. Anna, what do you think? What do you think the viewers should do? No, what do you think the people watching the video should do? Should they like and comment and subscribe? Well, you heard little Anna. Like, comment, and subscribe.
And subscribe.
Oh, it's just precious. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Eevee11, and you are...
Sleepy.
Yes, this is Creamy. And
Please.
seeing you all later. Goodbye.
Bye.
If you are wondering and didn't listen to me earlier, I am making a part 2 where we are doing the bath bomb clam thing. Woo! Goodbye.